This is the helmet hanger manufactured by Metalcraft Customs and I bought this in Amazon for 500 rupees. Link is in the description. This hanger can be mounted in the wall like this. It has got 4 holes over here. This hanger can hold both type of helmets, that is a half face helmet like this one or a full face helmet like this one. In case you have more money and don't know what to do with your money, try this hanger made by Trip Mission which costs just 3699 only. Let's see the quick unboxing of this parcel containing the helmet hanger. And this is it. It contains a metal base and a metal rod, and you have to secure the small rod to the base of the hanger. Four screws comes along with the package, and let's secure the small rod to the metal base with the bolt which is given. And that's it. Let's see the installation process. For installation, all you need is a driller. Marking the points to be drilled. Placing the plastic fissures. And the final step, securing the screws. That's it. Let's mount the helmet. Perfect. The weight of the helmet is 13.23 Newton and this hanger does its job without any issues. There is a provision for hanging your jacket also. Finally, a worthy product for its price. Thank you.